Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys best website to make money as a freelancer without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see all the website. And before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a valuable content like this, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see some of the top websites that you can use to make money as a freelancer. Let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open up your browser. Okay. Go to make a new tab. So the number one I would like to share with you guys is a very popular freelance website, Fiverr.com. This is the number one I would like to show you guys. This site right here is a very popular site across the world, and there is no limit to what you can offer on this particular site. I have worked on this site several times. I have made money on this site. All you have to do is to make a free account with them and upload a gig. One good thing about this site is that you upload a gig and clients come to site and place a custom order that you need to work on, and you get your money once you deliver the product to satisfy product to the buyer. Then you get your money on the site. One more thing about this site is that each time you make sales, they have a percentage as a commission for using their platform. That is what I have for you guys as far as Fiverr freelancing website is concerned. So you can give it a try. But in my future tutorial, I will still make more video about how you guys can go about with Fiverr, how you can start making money on Fiverr using your relevant skill or using your relevant digital skill. Okay, so the next one I have for you guys is peopleperhour.com. All right, so peopleperhour.com. So on this particular site here, there is also no limit number of products you can offer. There is no limitation of service you can offer on this site also. For as long as you know what you are doing. So you can see from the home tab right here, if you are technology and programming, this is where you belong to. Written and translation, you belong here. Design, you belong here. Digital marketing, you belong here. Video, photos and images, you belong here. Business, music and audio, marketing, brand and sales, social media marketing, etc. All you have to do is that you just need to make a freelance account. All you have to do is to sign up with the site and start to looking for project. One thing about this site is that there are two ways you can make money on this site. Number one way is that you create a gig, a live gig that people can place order. The buyer can place order immediately. Another way brand is that you can apply for work on this particular site. So if you are applying for a work, you see a lot of work based on your category on the site. So each time you log into your profile, you see available job that you can write a free proposal to, and if eventually your proposal convince the buyer, they will place order from you. That is that. So another one I have for you guys here is guru.com. Guru.com. This site also is a great platform for you guys as a freelancer to make more money as far as this site is concerned. On this site, it similarly works the same way as people per hour. I have worked on this site also. I have made money on this site, and in my future tutorial, I will explain deeper on how you can write a proposal, how you can win job on this particular site. On this site, you can apply for a job posting by clients, or you can create a live gig whereby people will patronize you immediately they see your live gig. That is that about this guru.com is concerned. So for you to get started on guru.com, just come to the top right here and click on sign up and make a free account. It's as simple as that. Then another one I have for you guys here is Upwork. Upwork.com is also a world-class freelancing site that you guys can use to make money as a freelancer. So one thing about this site is that Upwork. Okay, so Upwork is another great platform that you guys can make money as a freelancer across the world. There is no limit to what you can offer also. So you can see at the top right here, development and IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, written and translation, admin and customer support, etc. You come here and click on more to see more services that is available that you can offer on this particular platform. On this platform also, you can create a live gig and also you can apply for a job on this particular platform, because clients come anytime to upload available job, and then you can apply to you can write a proposal to apply. One thing about this site is that you will be given just 10 proposal opportunity for free. Immediately you use that one finished, then you'll be asked to pay for proposal and things like that. So that is the difference between Upwork and some other freelancing website that offer a free proposal written template to prospective buyer and the like. So the last one I will have to explain to you guys right here is SEO Clerks. So SEOclerks.com is also a great platform that you guys can use to make money as a freelancer. You can see people right here. Look at this person right here has made huge amount of money. You can see for somebody to have about 3,000 plus review just for boosting your ranking towards first page with complete SEO. This is just a ranking gig. So you can imagine that somebody that have a gig at a minimum price of 390 USD and has 5-star review of 3,000 plus. So you can see it has made a lot of thousands and millions of dollars on this side. Followed by this one also right here. This is another person here, has about 4,000 plus review. Another one right here, 6,000 plus review as far as this is concerned. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as the best website to make money as a freelancer is concerned. In my future tutorial, I will try as much as possible to make more detailed video about each of these websites, how you can get started, sign up account with them, how you write a proposal, how you start making sales on this on all these particular websites without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about online making money as a freelancer, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.